Nah, ma. I told you I didn't take that. I didn't take your food out the refrigerator. Why are you blaming me for that? I don't understand. You gonna put me out the house? No, I don't even live with you. What are you talking about? You got dementia now or something? All right, ma. My Asian friend up in here. I gotta do this interview. I'll call you later. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, man. So
my bad, ma. My
bad,
dog. What's good? I done let you in my truck. You feel me? You in the truck and it's raining outside and stuff like that. So I welcomed you in. You find me in the strangest places, man. Like, what? Do you stalk me or something like that? Like, what's good with you though? Like, what you got on your mind? Cause you kind of, you don't look too good. You know what I'm saying? What's on your mind, man?
Question for you, mother trucker. Do you have any other side hustles besides trucking to make extra money? I know life is not easy in the trucking industry right now. And the reason why I bring up this topic is there's an article out there of people basically trying to cancel this lady trucker. And they call her Blayze Williams. People, some have deemed her, the hottest
Blayze?
truck driver, woman in the world or what have you.
The hottest in the world? The hottest.
And
ain't no way.
Basically, she's been trucking for 10 years.
She been
2018,
trucking for 10 years and still look
she's
good?
had leg problems.
Leg
2018 to 2020, her friends suggested that she started Onlyfans.
Onlyfans?
She went on public record and said that she makes $10,000 to $15,000 a month.
$10,000 to $15,000.
And since people have found out that she has Onlyfans.
Give me 1 second. 1 second, ma. 1 second.
Basically, she says that people have been trying to cancel her.
What's a OnlyFans name? You gonna? I don't even want it.
Body shaming her and just making her feel bad about herself.
You lying. Go ahead.
Mother trucker, what are your thoughts about this?
They've been trying to cancel her. For
it
what?
definitely is a touchy subject,
She's
but
a female. That's what they do.
all I have to say from my
They
experience,
get on OnlyFans.
Not with OnlyFans, but just being, out to the public in the public eye is, for the truck drivers that are being on YouTube, things like that, social media, just know that, when you put yourself out there, definitely get ready because you better grow thick skin fast. But
oh, that's true.
As far as this goes, true. I mean, she says she keeps on wanting to truck. This extra money just helps her out financially. She can take a breather when she doesn't want to truck.
She should keep what her content look like.
And second to that, does that really have anything to do with counseling her? I mean, when it comes to being a good truck driver, it's just being professional and being out on the road and being safe and getting the job done.
And I want to see.
It has nothing to do with the extra hustle that she has. But Mother Trucker, what are your thoughts about this? Definitely.
My thoughts. You want my thoughts?
She seems extremely positive. She seems like she wants to help people. She's doing her thing, but, what are your thoughts? Should truck drivers be this mad and want to cancel her?
This how I feel about the whole situation, man. You got so close to us. You see that? And we gonna handle that when we get out of this truck, man. But yeah, like if she wanna be on OnlyFans, you wanna twerk the booty, wanna pop the cootie, wanna do it. Why am I finna sit and tell you not to? What's going on with these men these days? In the trucking industry, man. The trucking industry, where it's mostly men, is man dominated. And these folks got problems with this and that and that. Man, to me, it seems like the world going a strange way. I feel like it's going into another fucking metaverse or some shit like that, man. Like, this don't make no sense. You got men out here basically acting like the women. You mean to tell me, you in your right mind, you sitting here telling me that you got men out here that's literally bashing women for being on OnlyFans and just showing her like little sexuality and shit like that more? You mean to tell me men out here bashing for that? Seriously. Not men that's trying to take her serious like in a relationship. I'm talking about just men like we don't even know her. Like, she just doing her thing and she cute and stuff. Men bashing her? You know what, Ma? I ain't gonna even. I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna end this interview right here, Ma, because I'm gonna say something that ain't nobody gonna like. And you know me, I go off of fuck how it turned out, but Ma, we finna end this interview right now. I'm too raw for this. I'm
in
too
a fly
raw.
seat with a fine freak, I never let it all go to waste, man. Like an old head surfing at the bar with his hand out, saying